everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this super glammed out makeup. This is the second look of my 5 days of Christmas glam. It's really nice, it's simple, it's easy. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned and let's get started. This is my Too Faced Hangover Primer. I love this primer, and this is the face corrector that I use. It's the LA Pro Concealer. It's in the color orange. I like to focus this primer under my eyes. And I also like to apply it around my mouth. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Super Stay foundation. So I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. Right away I could tell that I'm gonna need more, so I'm gonna do another pump. I'm gonna go in with my buffing brush and just blend the sections that my beauty sponge can, like, you know, get in there. We're gonna move on with contouring our face and be using my favorite drugstore product, which is my dark concealer from e.l.f. in the color Cinnamon. And then this is the light one that I like to use to highlight my face. It's in the color Light Peach. Now I'm gonna go in with my light concealer to just highlight. I'm just gonna blend this in with my beauty blender. Setting my whole face with my Kat Von D setting powder in the color Translucent. So I usually just like to set the center of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my eyeshadow. So to begin with, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the first palette. I love this palette because it has a lot of neutrals. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's gonna be our transition color, and you just want to blend that all over your eyelid. I'm gonna use this color right here, brown one, and we're just gonna focus this on the corner. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyeshadow and apply it in the beginning of my eye. This is literally the look. We're just gonna start bronzing the face. I'm gonna go in with this big brush using my Morphe bronzing palette. This color and this one. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush to bronze my nose. For my blush, I'm gonna be using the Laura Geller New York. It's like a baked blush. On my nose. After this, I like to go and bake under my blush. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my whole face. So this is the final look. I'm gonna like get closer to the camera so you guys can see how nice this makeup came out. These eyelashes are actually from TJ Maxx. If you guys haven't checked out TJ Maxx lashes, you guys are missing out on some really nice styles. So this is how it looks. And this one's really nice, and it was only $4. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a brand new video. If you guys want to see more Christmas makeup looks that I'm going to be uploading, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I've been an awful good girl. Santa baby, just hurry down the chimney tonight.